Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. I'm Wanda and today we're out in the greenhouse. I'm super excited because my cookbooks are supposed to be here in a little while and I'm going to make something that is from my cookbook. It's called a cool cucumber soup. That's right, you heard soup. So out here what we're doing, we've done harvested the cucumbers, so I'm not even after the cucumbers. I'm after the dill. This is Danny's dill plant that he put in here. The only one he had left out of the ones he planted because he let them get water sogged, I guess you would say, logged, whatever. So I'm going to take just a little bit and I'm going to take it from this one right here. I don't need much. Isn't that beautiful? Look at this. The dill seeds are starting at the top. Isn't that beautiful? So we're going to use this little bit right here in our cool cucumber soup. Alright guys, we're going to be using the Ninja. Scott and Donna sent me the Ninja and this has been the best thing ever for my kitchen. I just promise you that. Now I'm going to be using this. In my recipe book it calls for 3 cucumbers and 1.5 cups of sour cream and all this. I'm not following my recipe because I'm going to do a single serving. I don't need a big amount. So we're starting with the cucumbers. And I'm not peeling mine. I did wash them. I'm just going to chop it up a little bit. Throw them in here. These have been in the fridge a couple of days and they're pretty cold already. So that's a plus because they're not fresh out of the garden. They're already cold. And I'm cutting the ends off because I don't want the ends, but I do want the green part. I want all the peeling and everything in my salad. If you don't want that, peel it. You know, very simple. It's up to you. And if you don't want seeds in it, now these seeds are very small. I don't mind this. Now if you have a cucumber that has those big large seeds, cut them out. But this is very fleshy. This is a good cucumber. All right, see that? That's what we're doing. We're adding salt to taste, pepper to taste. I'm gonna add a touch of lemon juice. Now I don't want much. I just want a few drops. Onion. This is a Deep South onion. It's one of these beautiful onions that Danny raised. I'm just going to cut a piece up in here because I don't want overpowering onion, but I want some onion in it. And again, most of the time my recipes are to taste. If you don't like onions, leave it out. I'm going to add a little bit of peppers. So now this is a Marconi pepper. Danny picked several of those this morning out of the greenhouse. And I'm just going to chop it up, add it to the mix. My dill. We're just going to throw this in. And sour cream. Voila. I had a little bit that needed to be used. We're just cleaning it out, did not measure. The recipe calls for 1.5 cups to 3 big cucumbers. I've got 2 small cucumbers. We're using about 1/2 cup. Again, I don't measure. Kind of drives Danny crazy sometimes, but look at this. Isn't that beautiful? We're going to put this lid on. Tighten it down. I've got the Ninja ready. Lock it into place. It's single serve. And I take it lots of times, shake it down. Soup. Look at that. Let me pour it into something you can see. soup. Cucumber soup. You cool this and it's ready to go. Now mine's already cool because I had cold cucumbers and cold sour cream. Cool cucumber soup. This is delicious. It makes a great serving for, and I'm the only one eating, so I can dip out of it. This is wonderful. Cool cucumber soup. So when you're looking for something to do with all those cucumbers that are coming in, you've got cucumbers everywhere, make you a cool cucumber soup. You store this in the fridge. It's good for 2 or 3 days. And I did use sour cream in this one, but I have used ranch dressing. It's basically the same thing. So if you have ranch dressing, mayonnaise, anything, you can swap out some of it. You can play around with the flavor till you get the flavor you want. You don't have to dump all the ingredients in at once. Put a spoonful of mayonnaise in there, blend it a little, taste it. If it doesn't taste right, add more. The dill did a wonderful job having fresh dill in here. And I love having fresh stuff. So this is our onions, our dill, our cucumbers, all onions, peppers, all of it. You got all this stuff coming in, guys? Use it. You can serve this as a side for supper, for lunch, with a sandwich, whichever way you want. Anyway, this is a cool recipe for the summer. And guys, my cookbook will be here anytime. I'm excited. I'm just trying to do some of these recipes that will be in the new cookbook. And check it out in the link. It's on our Etsy store. Guys, I gotta go. I'm peeling tomatoes. I'm cutting up onions, and I'm cutting up peppers. We have a lot of salsa to make. I've made more than 3 cases, 36, 38 jars now. I've got almost that much more to go. So talk to you later. Bye guys from Crazy Days.